Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama. Kusama has a market cap of $205 million, 24-hour trading volume of more than $20 million. Kusama trades above $24. How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Altseason is around the corner. There's greed in the cryptocurrency market. We're waiting for that extreme greed, for that Altseason pump. How high will Kusama go? Can we rally to as high as 100, 200, maybe even get to as high as $300 before the end of the year? Also look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin. Finally looking at Kusama's market cap. Where will it end before the end of this rally? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. So do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
I've seen a lot of gains in the altcoin market over the last 1 month. A lot of altcoins are having double-digit gains. We've even seen altcoins with triple-digit gains. It's been a nice time. This bear market has been long. This bear market has been boring. But right now, good times are returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Kusama has a market cap of over $200 million, currently trading above $24. We've seen Kusama with a 24-hour trading volume of more than $20 million, has a circulating supply sitting at 9.6 million tokens. Kusama's fully diluted market cap sits at $324 million. And guys, Kusama's all-time high happened on the 18th of May 2021. It traded for as high as $623. Right now, it's down 96% from its all-time highs. How high can Kusama go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is the Kusama US dollar price chart on the 3-day time frame. Before we started this big dump to Goblin Town, guys, there was a time where Kusama was basically going up only. It was going up only for a very long time. From the 3rd of February 2021, Kusama was pumping to the moon. We saw it rally for 465 days, finally going up by more than 52,000% on the 13th of May 2021. It clocks that $617 level. Crazy pumps can happen in the altcoin market. Just $1,000 invested in Kusama would have given you $500,000. But guys, after those crazy pumps, we also see crazy dumps in the market, and those crazy dumps has led Kusama from as high as $620. We have seen Kusama dump to Goblin Town, finally finding its bottom around $16.75, and we saw it dump for more than 883 days. We found the bottom around the $16 level. That's good to see, guys. But in 2023, we've seen Kusama trade higher than that. In 2023, we've seen Kusama trade at the $48 level. Can we go above the $48 level? It's very, very possible. Seen king of the market, Bitcoin rally above its yearly highs, Ethereum rally above its yearly highs. A lot of altcoins are having a great time in the market, have rallied above their yearly highs. I expect Kusama to join the party until we rally above that $48 level, till we see Kusama pump above that $48 level. There's still going to be a lot of fear in the market. There's still going to be a lot of worries that maybe, just maybe, we're going to continue dumping to Goblin Town. But I think we're going to start pumping to higher prices. I think we're going to see that 100% pump that will carry Kusama to the $49 level. But I don't think that $49 level will be our bus stop. I believe that's where the real fun starts. Kusama could easily rally back to the April 2022 price level. A lot of altcoins in the market are finding resistance there. If we see Kusama making similar moves, pumping, we'll see Kusama trading around the $190 level, and that will see Kusama giving us around a 700% pump from where we're currently trading. Is a new all-time highs possible? Guys, I'm not going to tell you, all-time highs is not possible. But a lot of these altcoins are just going to retracements after a kind of crazy bull run they had in 2021. And after a kind of crazy dump they've had in this bear market. They're supposed to go on a relief rally, and that relief rally is what we're expecting. We're expecting that relief rally to see us pumped crazily. Kusama would have gone from as low as $17. Kusama would have gone to as high as $200. That would have seen it rally up by more than 1,000%. And that's something to write home about. I'm sure a lot of people will be disappointed expecting those 500x pump, those 200x pump. Guys, there's a time and place for those pumps. And I don't think the market conditions are ready for those kind of outrageous pumps. We have not seen Bitcoin rally to new all-time highs, which is very, very important if the altcoin market is going to go crazy. We have not seen Ethereum rally also to new all-time highs, which is very, very important if we want to see the Ethereum market also go crazy, because Ethereum is the king of altcoins. If Ethereum is not pumping to new all-time highs, a lot of altcoins will not be setting new all-time highs. Let's look at some key details about Kusama. Self-described as Polkadot, while causing Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massively interoperable and scalable framework for developers. Kusama is built on Substrate, a blockchain building kit developed by Parity Technologies. Kusama has almost the same code base as Polkadot, one of the most successful interoperable blockchains. Where can you get some Kusama? If you want to get some for yourself, guys, you can get some Kusama on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Qcoin, and anywhere you get your popular altcoin, you can get some Kusama right there. Guys, we're here to make some money. You're here to buy the lows. You're here to sell the highs. You want to buy when we're down in Goblin Town so that when we're pumping to the moon, you can be selling for some sweet profit. Remember, guys, when we're pumping to the moon, when there's chaos in the market, when everybody's getting very excited, that's when you want to be selling for some profits. Yes, we're going to the moon, but at some point in time, you have to take some profits off the table. If you take a look at Kusama's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, we have been seeing huge jumps to Goblin Town for Bitcoin, for Kusama against Bitcoin. Yes, that's expected. After the kind of crazy pump we had in the previous bull market, you expect some level of aggressive dumps in this bear market. We saw Kusama outperforming Bitcoin in the previous bear market, in the previous bull market by more than 129x. Right now, it's down in Goblin Town. Right now, Kusama has lost so much value against Bitcoin in its first full crypto bear market. We've seen it lose more than 96% of its value. When we're deep in the bear market, a lot of people run towards safety. Safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and it's Ethereum. So right now, as people are getting very bullish, you see them running back into those risky altcoins. You see them running back into Kusama, expecting higher pumps in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you take a look at Kusama's market cap, guys, Kusama's market cap is around the $200 million level. At the height of the bull market, we saw Kusama's market cap getting to as high as $5 billion. Kusama's April 2022 price target, we see Kusama getting to as high as $1.6 billion. That's what Kusama was trading April of 2022. I told you guys earlier in the video, a lot of altcoins are rallying to their April 2022 price. That will see Kusama's market cap go up by 732% from $200 million to $1.6 billion. Right now, we're not Altseason, but guys, we're getting close to that Altseason pump. Altseason is when we see more than 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin in a 90-day period. So the trick is to buy altcoins in Bitcoin season and to sell them in Altseason. If we see extreme good return back to the currency market, we'll definitely be in Altseason. By that time, a lot of altcoins will have outperformed Bitcoin right now. They're already doing that on a monthly time frame. There's greed in the market, extreme greed. You see a lot of people having irrational behaviors, a lot of people doing crazy things, and that's the ingredients we need for that altcoin season pump. That's the ingredients we need to see Kusama rallying above $100, maybe even getting to as high as $200. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.